What's inside? They laughed with glee.
Candy smoke danced happily.
Peppermint wheels spun round and round.
Rainbow sparkles kissed the ground. The giant train doors opened wide. A sweet surprise world glowed inside.
Jellybean pandas bounced with delight, wearing candy hats so bright.
Marshmallow Lambs skipped in a line, ringing tiny sugar chimes. Cookie helicopters filled the sky, dropping candy stars from high.
Bubblegum Dolphins leaped with grace,
Blowing heart bubbles into space.
popcorn clouds floated slow,
Sprinkling buttery golden snow.
Suddenly giant lollipops began to spin, opening a chocolate wonderland within. A smiling cupcake dragon flew, painting frosting rainbows blue. Then a sparkling candy crown appeared, floating softly very near.
Inside twinkled a sugar crystal key,
shining bright for all to see.
the key unlocked a cookie gate, opening a kingdom simply great.
The candy train kingdom laughed with delight,
Shining sweet both day and night.
everyone danced with happy smiles,
Rolling through candy-colored miles.
TinyTotsVerse says with a cheer, subscribe for adventures